Well, this might be the end of the Toyota Matrix. Someone slammed on their brakes at high speed. All right, got the car back at the place, getting ready to assess the damage. Looks like I busted out some fuses over here. Could have done without that. Got the radiator leaking, so I'm gonna put this pan underneath. All right, so right off the bat, the engine looks like it's intact. Transmission looks to be intact. You got a broken fan, radiator's busted, the battery's trashed. The fuse box is completely busted in from that headlight. This little perimeter frame is messed up, but the main frame is intact. And it's a matter of bringing this back out. Definitely gonna need a new battery. You can see down here it's punctured. It'll drain out if I tilt it. Go ahead and put this in a plastic bag. Bottom of the airbox completely busted out. Go ahead and get this light out of here. Definitely need a new one of those. Starting to get a better visibility here. It's really just this piece right here just needs to bend back out. Battery tray. Unfortunately, with the fuse box, you got all these wires to worry about. It looks like the major stuff's all right. Transmission mount is intact. This battery tray anchor is bent. Snapped the bolt right here. But that could just be drilled out, and then this could be replaced. Also got a bunch of gunk up in here. This bumper's literally just being held on by a couple of bolts. Looks like the frame's intact. This part got bent down completely though. This one's sitting perpendicular straight up. Mine, however, is not. So because the bumper impacted this piece and knocked the headlight back, the frame is spared. It just bent down this little tab. Behind the door right here. One more crushed in right here. Could try to straighten that out or buy a new one. All right, so this gives us a lot better idea of the frame damage. You can see this is all twisted up right up in here. So this thing accordioned, and that's about the whole main issue. If I can get this to all straighten out, then we can put it back together. All right, here we go. Time to load up these tools and get after it. Little battery selection. Right off the bat, found what I was looking for. This just showed up on Friday when my car wrecked, and that's a good looking airbox right there. And battery tray holder. So when I try to unmangle my upper radiator support, try to get it as close to this as possible. I'm gonna go check the other cars too. Thank you very much. You can see right here, someone actually cut the upper radiator support out. And there she is in all her glory. Got the headlight right here. It's gonna match my yellow one on my car so they'll look the same. And there's the XR 2004 fuse box. Mission accomplished. All right, before I throw away my broken airbox, I'm gonna put the mass airflow sensor on the replacement, and I'm gonna clean all this up first. New and improved. And now we're gonna cut this wire. Okay, remove this tape. Go ahead and save the big ones for last. I'm gonna cut the sheath down further so it's easier to connect. All right, and that should be good. Time to strip these wires. All right, finally ready to crimp this up. One down, 39 to go. All right, we are crimped and finally ready to take it to the next step. Any fuses I'm missing here, I'm gonna transfer over from the old box. Time to put the cover back on. And much better with a respectable replacement cover. Now we can reattach our top connectors. It just slides in right here. 1, 2, and 3. The battery bracket. And it's all coming back together. The battery might not properly fit for now because this frame is in the way. I just got to get it in here and drive this thing off so that I can take it somewhere else to bend this frame out. So I'm gonna prop this side up with a little 2x4 just to make it nice and flat. Let's see if this thing starts. All right. 273,000 miles and back to life. Now that I confirmed that it's running, I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect the airbox. All right, that ought to gonna do it. I'll go ahead and get this thing winched out tomorrow. I'm actually gonna set up this headlight too. And may I present the winch pull.